Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to enable offline mode in Google Drive. If you want to enable offline mode in Google Drive so that you can access your files without an internet connection, follow through the steps. First of all, open up the Google Drive application on your device. If you don't have the app, you can also visit drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now, once you're inside, go ahead and look for any file or folder you want to enable offline mode for. From the home page, go ahead and find the file or the folder and tap the three dots right next to the file or folder. And then, from the options available, click on Make Available Offline. In the pop-up, click on Make Available Offline once again if needed, and then now the file will be downloaded and be accessible without the internet. You can now view and edit your files offline. Changes will automatically sync to Google Drive when your device reconnects to the internet. Offline mode works only for recently opened files or those manually marked for offline access. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device. Enabling offline mode ensures you can keep working even without internet access. Always mark important files for offline use before traveling or entering areas with poor connectivity. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.